So this is how you can use ClickUp. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for ClickUp. Today you will learn how to use the website. So ClickUp is an organizing website. This is perfect for businesses or even content creators who want to just set out or organize their members. For example, if you have different employees for different jobs, you can give them and hand them out different tasks. They can be in different workspaces, so you can be more organized by that instead of just having one workspace for a few different departments in your business. So, how do you actually use this? Well, you can go ahead and tap on the plus button, create a list, and just go ahead and type the name of your list. For example, employee 1. So, ClickUp isn't necessarily for businesses. Well, it is one of the uses, but you can even incorporate this in your life. Maybe you want to do daily routines or, whatever you have to do to get through the day. So, once you create your list, you can go ahead and add a task. Let's say, edit this video. So, for example, maybe just pretend that I'm a content creator and I have editors. So, employee number 1 is going to edit this video. I am going to assign it to him. I don't have anyone else in my workspace, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose on my profile. But if you have invited them on your workspace, you can go ahead and tap on them and assign this task to them. Now, they can go ahead and tap on this circle and then put complete if they're done, or in progress if they're doing it right now. So you can even have real time information that shows you that they're doing it right now and that when they're completed. So, if you've already used a website like ClickUp and you're a bit hesitant to move, well, don't worry because they have all of these websites down here that can be imported to ClickUp. So just simply click on one of them. If any of these are actually what you've used before, you can go ahead and, as you can see, it says start import from Trello. So you can import your documents or your tasks onto ClickUp. So it's a lot easier. You don't have to write everything again. And yeah, that's the beautiful thing about ClickUp. You can import different website. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.